If you want to download and install apps on your iPhone, the first thing that we're going to do is open up a web browser. Like Safari or Google Chrome, just open it up on your phone. And first we're going to go to google.com. You might be wondering why we're doing this. Basically, we're checking to see if you have good enough internet or speed to be able to download apps. That is the first step. So on Google, we're just going to type in speed test and hit search. After you've done that, you'll be able to see the run speed test option here. Just tap on that and you should be able to see you have fast and stable, reliable internet. You can see mine is super low for whatever reason. I might need to restart my router, but basically you're looking for something over say 10 or 20 megabytes per second on here. Now, after you've gone through that process and you've checked your speed, the next thing you're going to do is head into the App Store on your phone. So let's head into the App Store here. And at the very top right, you're going to tap on the profile picture. Now you can see I'm logged into my account. If you haven't yet already, you're going to need to sign in to your Apple ID account. It's the same account that you signed in on your phone to sync up all the iCloud, all of that stuff. So just sign into your Apple ID account so that it has your profile and picture at the very top. After you've done that, we're ready to download apps. So one of the things that I would recommend starting with is to tap on apps at the very bottom center here. And now if we scroll down, you can see, for instance, top free apps. You can tap on that. And for instance, if we wanted to get a top free app, we can always download it here. So let's find one of these top free apps that we want to get. Let's say I want to get this one, Indeed. I can tap on the get. If it just says open, you already have it downloaded onto your phone. But if it says get, then you don't already have it. A lot of times it will pop up with this. It says double click to install and it will use my Face ID, or it might ask you for your Apple ID password, the same one you just used to log into your account. So I'm going to double click here and you can see it uses my Face ID. And now if I hop out of here, it will start to download the app directly to my home screen. Now, that is for a free app. Indeed is just to look for jobs and stuff like that. But at the very top right here, you can see paid apps as well. So I can switch over to that and you can see basically the cost of all of these apps. They usually are a few bucks, under $10 usually. Now, if you wanted any of these top free apps or paid for apps, if say I want Skyview here, I can tap on the $2.99. And now it will say at the bottom left, there's a one-time charge of $2.99. It will charge my Apple ID account, whatever credit card or debit card I have linked on there, and then I basically will be free from then on. However, some of them have in-app subscriptions or in-app purchases. You can see, for instance, this Forest one here. Right next to the $3.99, it says in-app purchases. So in this case, I might pay for the $3.99, but it also might charge me for in-app purchases down the road to be able to use the full functionality of the app. Now, after it's done downloading, again, I had really slow internet, so mine is still working on it, but you can just tap on it to open it up. Of course, if you don't see it on the home screen immediately, you can always just swipe to the left. And in the app library, you can just search for that app. So just tap on the search and we can search for Indeed in this case. And there you'll be able to see that app that you just downloaded.